Okay, this is pretty interesting. Sometimes little triangles, or flags, that are supposed to be green by default will appear in the top part of some cells where you've written a formula. For instance, operating expenses equal revenues multiplied by forecasted OPEX percentage. These triangles say there is an error in this calculation. By default, Excel is programmed to conduct a background error check to find potential errors. The green flags indicate that potentially, according to Excel, we can have an error here. Okay, but given that we've verified there is no mistake here, these flags are useless. Even worse, if I paste this table somewhere else, in a PowerPoint presentation, for example, they'll appear again. To be honest, it is considered unprofessional to leave these triangles on the worksheet. And actually, throughout this course, we have been working with this feature switched off. Hence, here's how to switch this feature off whenever you don't want to see green error alerts. From the File tab menu, select Options. And in the Formulas section, you have to untick the Enable Background Error Checking functionality. Confirm by pressing OK. And enjoy a cleaner version of your sheets.